Stop me. I was about to say she's working, man. How do you say he's working?
What? Hey Chichat from Himalayas, welcome back to another episode with H guys. Today I've also come with what is the tea that is trending right now, guys. So after Holy Ten Anzi broadcast ya ola ataura about mama V kuti ye vanodzidzisa vana kupfeka madrezi yanzi she should stop kuita izvozvo, but Ola was maintaining the he part, but Holy Ten, like what you have heard from my just clip kamanzwa this video ichitanga, and I wanted to say she, which means that it means a lot. Then Holy Ten akaenda kumberi achiti iye mama V zvavanoita zvitomboite, how can you respect that person anopfeka dress ari murume. After that mama V zvakavabata and vakanyora pafacebook vakati usatambe nematope pasina mvura, then vakamboita clip kekutanga vari kuita broadcast, but at the end vazoita things out by suing Holy Ten kuti aiwa Holy Ten ari kundi hanzi inonzi chi deformation, yes, ndo yaari kusuwiwa nayo namama V. Saka pari kupisa pari kubvira rikaitwa kuti nyaya yacho inogumira kupo, but mafans it looks like they are in support of Holy Ten, because vari kuti iwewe, why are you explaining if you are not? And also zvinotidzidzisa chii? Vanhu vari kuita kupopota, and mwana wangu aiti inini saka vanhu vese munondiziva kuti you have been pretending to love mama V, imi zvenyu musingavadi because of the comments. Pari kushata pakatopisa izvezvi. Saka guys, what do you think? Let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button, give me a big thumbs up, and also turn on notification bell so that you miss out anything that your girl is going to post. But from my own opinion, it might be just a pure content. You know, we have a lot of trending Nigerian men vanoacta vakapfeka madresses, but people havambotauri anything bad about them because it's just acting. And tina mama Clifford munovaziva imi, she always do that as well. Vanopfeka dress ramai Clifford and vachidzoka kupfeka trousers. So why mama V guys? Why? Let me know in the comment section, what do you think that? And do you think Holy Ten is going to win this case, or Mama V is going to win? Because Mama V have what? In 100,000 a deformation of character. What? I mean, Regatas on reply Jaya and also Ola Pamupacho. Pakaipa. You know, some of the questions Aningachi painted another, some of the interviews, it needs someone who's very strong, because you never know. So we are in support this time with Gumi, because Gumi akataura sense, and iwewe aunzi mama V unonzi admire, saka why uri kumusua akambotaura kuti admire kana chakati mama V. Guys, this is deep. What do you think? Because pakashata pakachuka, and vatoendesa mapapers. We are now waiting kuti vachiendesana kucourt, and tizonzwa the results kuti dziri kufamba sei. She's good tracking mama V when it comes to content, but I don't know this side of her, this side of him ramuri kutaura, I don't know, but he's good. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Bye guys, I'll see you again on my next video.